you know what's happening. This is the part 2. You've been waiting for this all week.
Yeah. If you didn't see part 1, click above. Linked above, link below.
Check it out or below.
Everywhere.
Mm-hmm. We're doing Yeonjun, Taehyun in this video. What is this one called? Ghost Girl. Oh, I remember liking Ghost Girl.
Mm-hmm.
Also, Yeonjun's my bias in TXT, so am I a little biased in this too? Maybe. I don't know.
Oh. Tortured artist.
You can be my ghost girl, you can take my soul girl. 나를 잃은 채 전부 잊을게 real world. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. I feel you 발 닿는 곳 그 어디든 꼭 씹는
The legs.
너에게 전부 지식할 듯한 감정 너만이 내 숨 너만이 내 truth. You're the one I don't wanna lose. 지독하게 열이 올라 오늘도 널 알아 뒤척여 every night in my bed. 환청처럼 울린 alarm 첫눈에 든 순간 아른거리는 너의 silhouette. You can be my ghost girl, you can take my soul girl. 나를 잃은 채 전부 잊을게 real world. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 거쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. All of my friends 날 보곤 답답해. And I don't really care, I don't really care. 지옥마저 천국일 테니 baby 함께 있어줄게. I love and nothing get me scared. Darling 너와 함께라면 걸어가 through the door. 미친놈 이래도 뭐 어때. 너로 인해 숨쉬는 날 따라가 where you are. 어떤 이별조차 초월해. You can be my ghost girl, come and take my soul girl. 영혼을 다 쏟아서 또 꺼내는 heart. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 날이 잠식해도 오직 너만이 나를 숨쉬게 한 girl. You can be my ghost girl. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna stay with you. I just wanna live and die with you. You can be my ghost girl.
No.
No,
No.
not again.
No.
Not again.
No.
Not again. Not again.
No.
Listen, I know we just heard Ghost Girl, but no, that wasn't. We didn't actually mean it.
Stop the share.
He just came in and like, I'm possessing this now. I'm taking over.
Nikki, please. Please, Nikki. I was like, okay, they're putting on Terry's. No, Nikki.
I know. I was expecting.
Like evil demonic voice.
And it's that one specifically.
That one. Like, bye. No. No.
Y'all, I'm crying. Y'all, if you don't know why we're so like traumatized, PTSD right now, You need to go watch our reaction to that video.
Go watch our hype in video. And actually, I like that. I love that song, but
No,
Nikki
I
in the
do.
beginning.
Yeah.
He's evil. He's evil at the beginning of that song.
Yeah.
Yeonjun.
You could be my ghost girl.
You
You know when you like watch a scary movie and you have to turn on a kids
then you-
TV show so that you can go to sleep.
And then you go watch like a Barbie movie. You could be my ghost girl. Yep.
Yeah.
We love a yearning man.
I love a man that yearns, a man
Yep.
that longs. Oh.
Yep. Mm-hmm. That part where he's like, and then the background like is like the guitar or whatever it is, and then it goes back to those like those steel kind of drums that that part. I love that part. That's the yearning part for me. I'm like, yes, give it to me.
Yep.
The look was giving me, what's that other look where he's always wearing shorts and like all you see is legs, because we know Yeonjun is like all legs. You know that SpongeBob
God.
meme? You know that SpongeBob meme. You know, it's him. Like, you can't even deny it. What is that? What does Pearl say? She's like, tall. What did she say?
Oh.
Tall, dark, and handsome. And I'm like, yeah, tall, dark hair.
I don't. It's not Good Boy Gone Bad, is it? No. Or Loser Lover.
It's in that album though, I think.
It's yeah. I'm trying to think of like their darker concepts because it's probably one of those.
Yeah, it was one of those. And I was like, yep. Giving the SpongeBob long legs again. Looking great with the eyeliner.
I was gonna say, I think allegedly, I don't know how true this is, but I saw someone say that the artist Youngblood gave Yeonjun the song.
Oh, Youngblood.
Yeah.
No, I've probably heard some of his songs, or one of them.
Yeah, I don't know if I've heard his songs, but I can see him. Like, I know how he looks like.
Oh, wait, I know what he looks like. It's giving that vibe, actually, like his kind of...
Yeah, because even, like, Yeonjun's outfit was almost, like, a little homage to him, I feel like. Because I feel like he sometimes wears stuff like that, too.
Mm-hmm. And it did look like London,
yeah,
like Europe-ish, you know? I don't
No.
know.
Oh no, Zoom did it again.
I don't even know what I was saying, but shout out Yeonjun. You already know. Stream.
Shout out Yeon. I'll be your ghost
I'll
girl.
be your ghost girl.
I'll be your ghost girl.
That was me in the painting at the end, guys, you know. Go check out our Instagram. That's me. You'll find the picture. That's silhouette.
That's silhouette.
I got Terry this time. We made sure,
bless.
you know. Dude, Nikki's gonna come out again. He'll be like, you thought you could get rid
Imagine
of me?
it like refreshes in the place. Nikki.
Stop. I can't. That was actually crazy. Like, Okay, this one is called Bird of a Night by Taehyun of TXT. I'm a little sorry to say, but this one was my least favorite, just in terms of vibes. But yeah, a ver. I could change my mind. I'm easily persuaded.
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 째깍대는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까 yeah, 전부 흐려져가 날개를 펴 like a bird of night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의 night flight 더 작은 점이 돼 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 불확실한 감정들의 이름 전부 뜨는 저 바다의 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow 내려다본 도시 흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모를 이의 고민 속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향해 날 곁주시 내게 닿길 기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird of night 숱한 고민의 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤 우리의 night flight 잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 같은 별을 바라보고 있을 어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow
Goodbye, Blue Hour. Let's start chapter
One of them said, yeah, one of them said start chapter together.
Okay, that's this album. See right there? Does it say Blue Hour, right?
Oh, yeah, it does. Blue Rock. Oh, is it like like all the eras are in the cassettes?
I think so. Well, it was talking about something about like the pains of being an adult or something. So I'm assuming this is like them saying goodbye to, not goodbye completely obviously, but like we've done all of this before. Like this is the new, we're transitioning into this new era of TXT basically. Which, yeah, I think we talked about it right in the last TXT video that we definitely see the change now.
You can definitely feel it in the sound and also like the lyrics.
Let's start chapter together. Oh yeah, it's this one. Oh. Okay. What does this one say? Oh, Bird of Night. He's the Bird of Night? I was trying to look at the lyrics, but I'm afraid they all go over my head. It's definitely like a more, is melancholic the right word to say?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Not feel, but the lyrics, I guess, are more like sad,
Mm-hmm.
more. The darker the night, the brighter it shines. We should let go. He looks great in this video, by the way. Like,
Oh yeah.
the biceps be biceping. See, I'm easily persuaded. Now I think it's not my least favorite, but I don't know.
You no longer have a least
I
favorite.
no longer have a least favorite. Yeah. Let's put it like that. It's because with TXT, you just can't say you don't like it because you do.
Yeah.
The same thing happened with the title track of this album. I was kind of like not feeling it that much at first. Girl, I'm singing that in the shower now, so.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know. I don't really know what to say. This one had the animation too. I feel like all the... Who had animation? Subin, Bomgyu, and Taehan. Right? I was gonna say all the like more sad ones are like more sad feeling, but no, because Subin's was pretty happy.
No, yeah. Well, his animation also kind of matched that vibe because it was more like fun, kind of like funky, versus this is more like abstract almost.
Yeah, all the animation match just the style and the vibe of the song.
Yeah.
This one is also very like reminiscing the good old times and like watching. I don't know. Or maybe this one's more like the sad feeling that you get of like remembering, like how do I explain it? Like when you get nostalgia for something that you don't even know about, but you feel like the sadness of something. I don't know. I get that in like shows when you're like, oh, like somebody used to like, I don't know, when there was like a kid and you see like their little like room and like left like old dolls and stuff. Like I'm like, oh, yeah, that's true. We all kind of grow up. Blah blah blah. Voice 10 out of 10. You already know is Taehyun. What do you expect?
Yep.
What do you expect?
Yep.
Well,
it's interesting because I feel like I'm so used to him always like vocally belting out notes. And this time like he was a lot more mellow. Like he still had some pretty like kind of falsetto oh my god, falsetto moments, but it was definitely more like it didn't like really burst out. I feel like normal like other songs that he's done, but I also still really liked it.
Yeah, I feel like he doesn't get as much of this in like other TXT songs. It is more of that like belting kind of raspiness that we've heard from him too. And this is definitely more, I want to say bright, like in the tone of voice, but obviously the song lyrics are not, right? But
Yeah.
yeah. See, this is why we love solos in group albums as well, because you get to have things that you never get from like the whole group thing together. Again, not to bring up BTS for everything, but like same thing when we got the solos for BTS.
Yep. And Wings, yep.
Alright. So yeah, those were our thoughts, our reactions to the videos and the songs and the lyrics and the vibes. We hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, click the notification click something.
Interact somehow.
Yeah, leave a comment. I don't know. Are you even watching until this point? I don't think so, but
are you guys gone? Who's here? Put an emoji. Put in like
a little star emoji or something.
Yeah, a little star emoji if you're still here.
Put a little bird emoji.
A bird, a little ghost for Ghost Girl, a little plant for Sunday Drive.
Yeah. Put a little
a hot air balloon for Bomies. A mariachi
for
or like
the little
salsa dancing girl for Hinenkai.
Put one of those and we'll know.
Well, no. You're a real one.
You stay for the vibes because you think that we're funny. You think that we're cute.
And you love us.
You're just in love with us now, so.
You love us. Yeah.
Anyways. It was Croc.
It's Crack.
Bye forever.